Hi everyone, welcome to my video on PC tips and tricks. So basically the idea of these little guides is to give quick couple of minute information, handy tips, handy tricks to save time, get the performance out your machine. Basically, yeah, little tricks to help you along the way. So the first one I'm going to start off with is known as GodMode. But this works in Windows, I believe Windows 7, 10, and 11. But don't get too excited. Yeah, it's called GodMode. I think that's kind of a name that people have given it. So what it basically is it gives you access to, I think, over 200 settings within Windows. But just remember, these aren't sort of hidden settings that normally you wouldn't get there. The settings are in Windows, but obviously they're all spread out in different places. This basically puts everything in one place for you, so it's easy to access. There's probably some settings in there you probably haven't seen before, etc. So here's how to do it. It's really easy. So we've got this code here, this string, which I'll put in the description. You pretty much copy this as I've just done. Right click on your desktop, new folder. So I'm on Windows 11 here, but like I say, it works in most versions, or Windows 7, 10 and 11. We've got a new folder. I'm just going to paste the name in there. For some reason it complains about the about invalid characters, but just ignore that, hit enter. It will create a folder, and then what you should see is that folder will change to a special icon. Now I open it, it brings up the window like this. Just make it a bit small, as you can see. So basically, yeah, like I say, it brings up this folder. Basically creates a folder called GodMode, and inside it is all these different shortcuts. So like I say, there's over 200 settings here. There's everything from setting up devices, ease of access, file explorer options, changing your fonts, internet. So like I say, these are all kind of standard settings that are within Windows in various different places, but it basically gives you a shortcut straight to them. So yeah, it's really handy. Like I say, it's not any like super secret hidden settings in here. It just brings everything together in one place, and then if you want to, obviously you can always take one and right click, drag, let go, create a shortcut here, and just stick a shortcut on your desktop. If there's something you use quite regular, you can do that. So that's pretty much it. That's GodMode, nice, quick and easy. You can see there now the icon has actually changed to this little, I don't know, cool little like kind of graphic rather than a standard folder icon. So yeah, that's it. That's GodMode. Like I say, nothing super special, but it might be handy for people just to have everything in one place. So yeah, that's it. That's tip number one in this series. What I'm going to be doing is making a whole bunch of these, short and sharp, good little tips, posting them, and then create a playlist on the YouTube channel, so you can just click through them and have a look. And you never know, you might find something that you've not heard of before, some little secret that you didn't know about. So yeah, stay tuned. Obviously like the video, subscribe, and if you do, obviously you get notifications of when the new videos are uploaded, which I say I'm planning on doing quite a few of these over time, build up quite a little catalogue. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you enjoy the others. Thanks again. Bye.